Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I have set up a small puja unit at my home. You must agree with me, having a temple or a sacred space at home can have significant spiritual and psychological benefits. So let's start today's video. Here is my temple, friends. This one I have purchased in the month of January of this year. But I was unable to set up at that time as some interior work was pending. So I have to wait for another 6 months to get the interior works over. You can see, friends, packaging is neatly done, and my 3 years old son is super excited. He is also trying to help out me. Inside this box, once again it is secured with thermocol sheets.
Friends, I was looking for a white temple for a long time,
but I didn't get any one of them in my neighboring shops. They offered either wooden or black color. So I have to search online, and finally my search ends at paperfry.com. Here I have found white temple without door with red and golden combination, and dimension is like this: height 24 inches, width 12 inches and length 20 inches, which is fit for a smaller corner.
Once again it is wrapped with a cling wrap. I must agree, the seller has done the packaging such a way so that it would not damage in transit. I'll share purchase link in description box.
You can check this product from given description link. You can see 2 drawers are also attached with it for keeping small puja articles. At this stage I thought the dome of the temple is missing, but later I noticed it is attached in inward manner.
So I need to remove and install it in right direction.
It is made up of MDF and costs 3049 rupees. I think I got a good deal. What do you think, friends? Let me know through comment section. Good morning, friends. Today I am going to set up my temple. This is northeast direction of the room. According to Vastu, the ideal direction is northeast. But if this direction is occupied, you can go with either north or east direction. First I am going to place Ma Jagadhatri, goddess of our household, followed by Ganpati Bappa, Sai Baba and Hanumanji. Now I am going to place diyas a little bit away from temple, as I am having a small kit. Here I need to mention few important points. You can say it's a kind of disclaimer also. Basically, I am a secular person, though I believe in God. My intention is not to hurt anyone's sentiment. I am just showing how to establish a sacred space in a small corner effectively. You can also watch this video from the point of view of interior designing. Now it's time to offer some flowers. The offering of flowers to the deities marks the completion of puja. While we offer fresh flowers, it spreads a positive energy around us. That's why I didn't use any artificial flowers or garland for decoration purpose. Moreover, I have noticed they accumulate lot of dirt and dust over the time, and for me, cleanliness is next to godliness. At the end of video, I have added few clips of Chickpete Wholesale Market from where I have purchased Idols and Diyas. Friends, I have made this purchase long back. That's why I can't remember the name of shop. Here you will get plenty of options. Not only diyas or idols, different types of decor items are also available at an affordable price. They also offer home delivery facilities, but obviously that is chargeable. If you stay in Bangalore, at least once you should visit Chickpete Metal Market. This area is well connected with metro, and this particular market is close to Chickpete metro station. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Goodbye.